I'm Claudia Balls, and today I'm going to make something different. I decided today make chocolate cake with chocolate mousse. So let's start it. For this chocolate carrot cake, you will need 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Half a teaspoon and a half, and a half teaspoon. 2 eggs, a cup and a half of sugar, I will say half of tablespoon of vanilla, half a cup of oil, and a cup of water. I will add carrots. So before we start making the batter, I like you to make sure you get 2 pans, so you can do half and half. And I like to have these ones, so it's easy for you when you remove the cake from your pans. Also, turn on your oven at 350, so it will be ready when you're done with this one. So just cut your carrots and you're going to shred it. And this one is recipe from my husband, because my family, they love chocolate. So first I made the chocolate just without carrots, and it turns okay. But my husband liked to experiment, and he add carrots to see what's happening, and actually make the cake more moist. So I have to say thank you to my husband for that. So now you're going to do the eggs. So just put 2 eggs and start mixing it with the sugar. So you can until it's nice and fluffy. And you add the sugar over here. So just leave it like that until it's nice and mixed all together and fluffy. Meanwhile, just put all the dry ingredients in one big bowl. So it's flour, cocoa powder. This is real cocoa powder from the cocoa beans, and it's more authentic. Then you have this one, and just mix it. So now you can see the eggs and the sugar, it changed color and it's very smooth. So just add the oil. And the water, and for this one just turn it very low, because then so it doesn't splash you in your face. And half a tablespoon of vanilla. So now you're going to add your dry ingredients, and you're going to whisk it before start again the machine. Just sift it. So also make this one be a little bit more moist when you sift it. So just help all this chocolate. There we go. And mix it before you put the mixer again to the final the final mix. Just mix it well, and then also you're going to add the carrots, and you're going to mix it with your spatula. So now for the carrots, you just add like 2.5 to 3 cups, and it will be very moist. That my husband is very proud of that. So I will add 3. There we go. So now you're going to put half and half. So there we go. And just bake it. First half an hour, and then if you need to add more time, you can add more time. So let's see. So this is half an hour. So we'll see if this one is ready in half an hour or it needs a little bit more. Actually, it's ready. So just bring it out and let it cool down. Okay, so now while we wait for the chocolate cake to cool down, let's make the chocolate mousse. So for the chocolate mousse, you will need 3 kinds of chocolate. So over here you have chocolate chips, Nutella, and cocoa powder. So 1.5 cups, 1/3 and 1/3. You will have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and half a cup of hot water. Okay, let's start. So just mix the 3 chocolates in a glass container. Add half a cup of hot water. Has to be really hot. And just mix it all around. So just keep this one over here and pour the whipping cream, the sugar, and the vanilla. So look like this one is ready. Yes. And you're going to pour the chocolate in this and just mix it by hand, but do not over mix. So just put half first and then the other half. So now the fun part, assemble the cake. So this is the chocolate mousse that I put in the fridge for half an hour, and you can see it's ready to put it in the cake. So cut it in half. You can see that it's very moist. See? that's how you make chocolate cake with chocolate mousse. Okay, so now let's see inside.